guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well.
Hello, it's me.
She's back. Today we are doing an unboxing that we've not done before.
No.
We've got an backwards. It's an Asos beauty box. Do you know what Asos stands for?
Always special. Obviously superb.
No.
No, what does it mean?
As seen on stars.
Oh right, who told you that?
I just feel like that's what it means. It might not be, that's what I've just always thought it meant.
Asos.
So this is the Asos beauty box. I've never had it before, but as it was my birthday and Mum gave me a little bit of birthday money, I thought I would buy myself it as a treat.
It's a snazzy box.
It is, this is £12 and it's the party box. They have a new one every month and it says up to 60% saving. So, like, because of what's in it.
Over 60% saving.
So,
well.
What's a B&O?
Go play.
B&O.
Big
night out. Big night out.
Is it?
Yeah.
B&O.
Yeah.
I don't do B&Os anymore.
I don't. But I did get added to a group the other day on Facebook.
What's that?
Of school mums get wasted. And we're going out to get drunk.
Is that a good idea?
Yes. So it comes like this. And you've got, the first thing is a Smashbox primer. This is the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur primer. It's just a little sample.
Yeah, you get things like that when you go in the shop, don't you?
Not this size, I don't know.
Maybe
quite
not.
a good size sample.
It's not bad.
I've never used this, but it's like apparently a really good primer. That's the baby prime. Ben is downstairs with him. We've not just neglected him and left him on his own. 10,000 5-star reviews online. 93% saw smoother skin. 93% saw blurred imperfections. 95% makeup goes on flawlessly. So
95%.
yeah. So that's nice to try.
Yeah.
Next up,
What is this?
oh, this is what I wanted.
Snazzy.
It's a Damn Girl.
packaging.
It's Too Faced. It's mascara, and I love their Better Than Sex mascara, so I'm hoping that this is similar. This is why I got it.
It's not very big.
It's a sample.
Thingy.
It's a sample,
It's a sample, is it?
Yeah, but mascara.
Oh, it's tiny. How much is in there?
I don't know.
2 mil? 5 mil?
Well, how much is in a normal mascara?
I don't know.
Not that much.
Oh right, it's not something I've ever looked at.
No, I haven't either.
It just doesn't actually. Let me have a look while you have a look at it. No, I'll look at the box while you look at that.
It's nice packaging.
It is
6 mil this is.
Oh, it's 6 mil, right.
Yeah. So it's got a really nice big brush with a big old clump on the end. Have you got mascara on?
No.
Do you want to put some on?
Well, you can try.
We'll try. I just had mine got curled, didn't they? So I can't. Oh my god, it's terrifying. I hate doing other people's mascara. Just not look while I'm
Try
doing
to look what you're doing. Don't just randomly.
Look how terrified Mum looks.
I do look terrified, don't I?
I can't do it. It's too scary. I can't do it. You do it.
I will attempt to. I don't think it'd make any difference on mine.
You need yours curled again, don't you?
Well, I think that won't do them any good if you have it done too often.
Why not?
Because they'll fall off and break.
Have yours fallen off?
No, because I've only had it done once.
Well, I've had mine done 3 times and they're fine. It looks lovely.
There.
See, that's nice.
Tell, can
yes,
you?
you can. It's blacker.
Can you tell? No, I can't tell. I'll put the mirror on the bed.
That's nice. Then next up is a lipstick, and it's a Soph one, Soph Revolution, and it's Cake. And I wanted this as another thing that I wanted.
See if it's a nice colour.
It's not. You won't like it. It's a nude.
Why won't I like it?
You don't like nudes. I have got a lipstick somewhere for you though. I meant to give you the other day. Oh, it's a lovely colour.
Oh, that's nice.
Really pretty.
That's very you, isn't it?
There's my mirror. Can't do it without. I'm not you. Mum can put her lipstick on without looking at it while she's driving.
Look at the colour of that mirror.
Yeah, what of it? That is
it's a bit dusty.
That is because Ben smashed up the entire floor downstairs without putting any sheets down, so all the dust just came up. I like that. It's basically my lip colour, to be fair, look.
Yeah, it's good. Shiny.
I like it. It's very nice.
Yeah.
I wanted that one. Next up is some lashes, and they're Ardell lashes. And they're wispies.
Posy, don't they?
So that
they'd be worth a few pennies, I should think.
Nothing about a £5.
Yeah.
So it's not bad. You get the glue as well, the Duro glue. They're quite odd ones, but they do look thick.
Careful, darling.
Just chopping a mirror.
Don't want 7 years bad luck.
No, you see, they're quite smart, so we'll give them a little go.
I've seen some women lately though, they've obviously had lashes done.
Yeah.
And they look like they've got little sweeping brushes on
I
their
know, some of
eyes.
them are crazy.
And they look ridiculous. It's
Some
alright
of
for
them.
outside going out, but when you go into Smith's and somebody's got these things going like this, you think,
She's a judgy judgerson.
alright, I am, but they just look ridiculous.
They might think you look
No,
ridiculous.
they don't.
They might do.
They might do.
think you look ridiculous without them.
Okay.
Don't be mean.
Alright, I'm not
Fart
mean.
face. Next up is a little palette that is going to
Got every
go...
colour in there anyway.
Yeah, which is going into a giveaway. It's a little sleek palette. I'm not going to touch it. I'll just open it and show you. It's a little mini. I think I've had the big full-size version of this.
It's
Teeny
microscopic.
weeny. Little teeny weeny, but they're
Yeah.
nice colours. Quite cool toned apart from that one. But it's nice. So that's going into a little giveaway. But yeah. That was the box. I'm happy with that. What was I gonna give you?
You were going to give me a lipstick, didn't you?
Yeah, where I put it though.
I went and had a look round the
It's here. Look, there you go.
auction this morning. Because it's an antique one today.
It's a very you colour.
Oh, that's lovely,
I know.
darling. I like that.
I thought you would.
Nice.
It's not from this box. She's just showing
This is
you
lovely.
something. I know. I thought you'd like that.
What make is that?
Lord and Berry.
Is that good?
They're just in beauty boxes. I've never actually seen anyone buy one. But yeah, that was the Asos beauty box.
Right, yeah, lovely.
Do the outro because we need to go and get the baby.
Yeah, we have to. I've only just got here. She's managed to make me eat my lunch in about 2 minutes.
Whilst holding a
I
baby.
held the baby while I was eating it. And then she's made me come up here to do this with her before we go and get them. Take them to the library to change their library books.
Yeah, because we need to get 14 new ones.
And then, right, so we'll see you next time, whenever that will be.
I
So
have
if you
got-
like this little video, you must subscribe
Immediately.
immediately or sooner. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, we're going then. Goodbye.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.